नेक्स्ट बच्चे, another example of a formula would be equal to a1 plus b1 plus c3 multiply d5. बच्चे here written with pencil 24, that is wrong answer. Correct answer is 15. See here, assuming a1 b1 and c3 and d5 contains 1 2 3 4. Suppose in a1 value is 1, b1 2 and c3 3 and d5 4. The formula evaluates to 15. Now 15, how will come 15? See here बच्चे, I told you precedence means priority. Firstly bracket will solve, then exponential symbol will solve, then divide, multiply and in fourth plus minus. Now see here, which symbols? Plus and multiply. Firstly we solve, in third number multiply. See here बच्चे, multiply c3 multiply d5. c3 value is 3 and d5 value is 4. 4 into 3 12. Now a1 plus b1 12 plus 2 14. 14 plus 1 15. Correct answer is 15. बच्चे 24 is wrong answer. Next, use of functions. Functions you know all. Sum, difference means minus. Today means बच्चे it represents print display today, मतलब current day. Suppose today is Wednesday. If you will use today function, then your answer will come Wednesday. Max, min, not, and, or, these all are the functions. Maximum, minimum, these all. Use of functions. Functions are predefined formulas in Kelsey. In mathematics we build on the previous known formulas. So for example, you may want to the average of a range of cells. The following function compute the average. What is the formula of average? Equal to average function, then in brackets you will write cell address from where you will start to find average up to which cell. Here written AI to E1. AI to E1 means AI to E1. But that is wrong. AI is not correct. Here A1 will come. Okay, because we have to find average from A1 to up to EI. Okay, sorry, E1. A1 to E1 means here written A1 to E1. Clear? Once wait. I am taking new sheet. Now see here A1 25 written, next 45, next 65. Wait बच्चे, I am taking small numbers. 2 2 2 2 2. Clear? We want to find average from A1 to E1. From A1 to E1. Clear बच्चे? Now how will you find? The above function will take the range of cells as A1 to E1. See here A1 written now? Above side AI, that is wrong. A1 to E1 and then compute the average of the same. In case of average, the inputs are always numbers. Some of the other functions that are frequently used. See here बच्चे now average. If we want result in F1, clear? We will write here. Firstly, what we will write? Equal to, because in MS Excel every formula starts from equal to. equal to average क्लियर बच्चे, एवरेज वंस इक्वल टू average average written average. Now start bracket. See here, if blue will come then your formula is correct, average. Now next number 1, it tells us right here number 1 from where you want to start average, from where we want to start, from A1, right here A1 clear बच्चे. After A1 we will write colon. Colon means upper side and down side 2 dots. This is colon symbol बच्चे, this one. After L above upper side symbol, you will press with shift this symbol, clear, colon, that is called colon. बच्चे if you are using directly this key then semicolon will come, which one is downside symbol, that will come. But if you will type this with shift then column will come. See here, column, colon. Now up to where, E2, right here E2 E2 clear बच्चे. Now bracket close. See here, by default selected from A1 to E1, okay, and see upper side also. In function wizard, in fx, we just written here once wait beta, here E1 will come, bracket close. Upper side by default automatically came full function average. See here now, average function equal to average bracket start A1 colon E1, clear. Now press enter, average will come, average will come 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 5 2 from A1 to E1, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8 and 8 plus 2 10, 10 divided by 5, this is called average, divided by 5, 10 divided by 5 2, answer is 2. Okay, these all functions are same. All functions you will start with equal to then function name. If you want to suppose, if you want to write max, see here 45 98 35 97 and 100, clear बच्चे. Now in next cell F1 cell, from F1 to F6 we written here values. Suppose here I am writing 20, clear. Now which function you want to use, max. Max means maximum value. This function tells us maximum value. Which one is maximum value, 100. Okay, you type here formula, firstly write equal to max, clear. Now bracket start from where, from F1, because 20 is written in F1, here F and here 1, from F1 to F6, clear बच्चे. F1, after F1 what we will write, colon, colon up to F6, because in F6 return 100, F6 6 ब्रैकेट क्लोज. क्लियर बच्चे? प्रेस एंटर. आंसर इज 100. This function tells us maximum value max. Okay, suppose I am writing here min. Okay, now it tells us minimum value. See here now formula equal to min from F1 to again F6 because 100 written in F6. Now enter. Which one is the smallest value? 20 is the minimum value. Now result is 20 in F7 cell. Okay. Next, these all are the same. All start will equal to, then function name, then in bracket cell address.